Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we are going to start our second unit of the fourth chapter, that is Java Objects and Classes. In the previous chapter, we have learned about object-oriented programming with the basic concepts. We have also noticed that an object-oriented programming language is more user-friendly and more reliable than procedure-oriented programming language. In this chapter, we are going to start our two basic components of OOP that are called objects and classes. Now start. What are the objects? Objects are the real-world entities that can be anything, any name, any person. The things that you see around you are called objects. Around us we see table, chair, book, bike, football, ball, watch. These all are called objects. These are real world objects. Object has some state and has some behavior. States are also called attributes, properties, and these properties have some values, and the behavior is called methods or functions in Java language. Property of any object is like color, size, amount, name, phone number, etc. And behavior is like walking, running, drive, sell, buy, transfer. The any action, the any operation that is performed by that object is called behavior of that object. And each object is identified by the unique identity. So every object has its own identity. Now what is class? Class is user defined data type. Why it is user defined? Because it is defined by the user, and when similar objects are grouped into a single one, that single unit is called class. It is also called blueprint of the objects. It has variables as well as the methods of that objects. Class can be defined as a blueprint or a template that is of the similar types of objects which have some attributes and behavior, which has some same properties but have different values of that properties. Now let's take example of objects and classes. Here book is the class, and there are three objects. There are three books: software engineering, software testing, software quality. These three objects are of class book, and the objects of some particular class are called instances of that class. Students, let's take another example. Here car is the class, and its data members, or we can say that its properties, are model, its color, its brand, and methods means its behavior, that is speed, the size of each object. So here three cars are there: Ertiga and XUV, Swift. These three are the objects of class car. These cars have same properties but have different values. Here model, color, brand of every car is there, but value is different. Model is different, and these cars are identified by their model number. Their behavior is speed, so every car has some speed. Let's take another example. Here animal is the class, and I show you the different animals that are called objects of that animal class. Now let's discuss about the software objects. These objects are those objects which are used in programming in the Java language, and these objects are called software objects. Students, let's take example of software object and classes. Here the class person, and here the data members and methods. In software objects we call data members instead of properties or characteristics, and जो behavior है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? methods in software objects. Here class का name क्या है? person, and its properties unique ID, that is employee ID or any ID, Aadhaar ID, and name, age, city or gender. These are the characteristics that are called data members in the software object, and behavior is called methods in the software objects. So eat, study, sleep, play are called methods. Here there are two objects, name John and Desi. Those are called objects of the class person, and they have different name, age, city or gender, but they behave same. Their methods are eat, study, sleep, play. These methods are same for all the objects of class person. I hope you have cleared all the concepts, students. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy at your home. Goodbye.